We're ESTV, and I'm out and about today. Finally back at school. As we all know, we've all been learning from home for the past few months, then had summer holidays, so we've only been back at school for a few weeks. Today we are hoping to get a bit of an insight on what the students' time back at school has been like.
I felt it was like a good experience. I think the hardest part of learning from home would be to probably attend the Google Meets every morning, not getting late for it.
It was harder than when we were doing face-to-face because it was like digital, and if we had any questions we had to wait for a response because we wouldn't have an automatic response because it was all digital.
It wasn't as great as being actually in school because I didn't get to see my friends. Although I saw them in Zoom meets and stuff, it just wasn't the same.
It was just a bit overwhelming. It was very different to school and I wasn't used to it quite yet.
When I was learning from home, I felt happy because I was able to wake up later and just learn from my own room.
During learning from home, I felt really bored because school wasn't really the same because we didn't really meet in person. It was all online. So the experience wasn't really as great as live.
I felt kind of more relaxed because earlier I had to wake up really early and go to school, but now I could do my learning anytime I wanted.
It felt relatively normal, but it was a bit weird because we haven't really done it before and I've never heard anybody do it, so I wasn't prepared for anything.
I felt happy because there was less work and no homework, so I could literally, when I finished doing the work, I could just play.
I kind of felt calm during this learning from home period because I got to sleep in late and I also got to do my work at the speed that I wanted to do. I think the hardest part from learning from home was maybe getting all the work done in time. Of course, I got to do everything during the time that I wanted, but it just took a while because I would get distracted a lot.
I felt tired a lot and I felt like it wasn't really helping my learning as much.
It feels great seeing all my friends, playing basketball too.
I really like being back at school, especially I can be with my friends and they're there to encourage me. And our teachers are also there to support us and we can ask them a question when we want. And I like the joyful school environment, which always keeps me in a good mood.
It feels a lot better. I really enjoy school, so it's great to be back.
It feels really great, but a lot of the activities that we used to do have been stopped. We can't hang out with friends in other classes. We have to stay in our bubble groups and so on and so forth.
A lot better because you can talk to your friends in person. You don't have to send emails and go on a Google Meet. Everyone's just right there. I actually quite like it back at school as well because I got to see all my friends, but I also do kind of miss the learning from home period at some points.
It feels very good to see my friends. Hello family, hello friends.
I hope everyone in my family in Australia is doing well during COVID-19.
I miss you. I hope to see you soon.
Stay safe and wear a mask.
Stay safe.
Just to stay safe. I miss you guys so much and I'm so happy that we got to talk over Zoom and house party.
So I would love to thank my family who are outside Singapore because they constantly talk to me through video calls and they really support me. And I'd like to tell them to stay home and stay safe. And I would love to meet them as soon as possible.
Well, I'm Lenna and I've been out and about at school. And on behalf of the ESTV crew, thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.